Good morning, student. Today we will continue with the chapter number 7, that is, can you see the pattern? Now, magic squares. Do you remember magic triangles? Come now, let's make some magic squares. Fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. So here is the condition, and you can see first this is magic square. We have some numbers here 49, 46, 52 and 47, and some blank boxes are here. So we have to fill this by using the numbers from 46 to 54. So what are that numbers 46 to 54? 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. These numbers we can use to fill these blank boxes. So rule, the total of each line is 150. Each line means if you check the vertical line, so it should be total 150. And the second vertical line total 150, and the another third line total 150. Also, if you will join these all numbers horizontally, so the also sum should be 150. This line total 150 and this line total 150. So that all sides it should make 150 if you are adding the numbers. So this is the rule. Now let's start to solve this. So first come to the last boxes. Here we have 52 and 47 and another blank box. So what will happen here? Its sum will be 150. Means if you will add these numbers, so this box sum should be 150. So total we have 150. We have two numbers 52 and 47. So let's add these two numbers 52 and 47. Add is equals to 99. 52 and 47 add total 99 and total 150. So 150 minus 99 is equals to 51. Here we will write number 51. Now second box, here we will check vertically. We have two numbers 46 and 51. So that total sum is 150. So we have two numbers 46 and 51. So add 46 and 51. 46 plus 51. So total is 97 and total 150. So 150 minus 97 is equals to 53. So 53 right here. And now check horizontally. Middle box blank and two numbers 53 and 49. So first total 53 plus 49. So 53 plus 49 is equals to 102, and total number this line 150. So 150 minus 102, so remaining 48. You will get 48 and write here number 48. And next, this middle line we have two numbers 48 and 52. So add 48 plus 52. So total 100 and this line total 150. So 150 minus 100 remaining 50. So write here number 50. Now last box, what will we do? Same thing, add these two numbers 49 plus 47. 49 plus 47. Total 96. And total this line number 150. So 150 minus 96 remaining 54. So write here 54. So in this way we have filled this magic square. We have made magic square whose all sides vertically and horizontally and also diagonal. Diagonal means 49, 50 and 51. Also you will get 150. Fill this square using all the numbers from 21 to 29. So this is condition. We have the numbers from 21 to 29. What are that numbers? Yes, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. And rule, the total of each side is 75. Means 75 if you are adding vertically, so total 75. And second line total 75. Third line total 75. And horizontally total 75. And this line total 75. And this line total also 75. So the sum should be also 75 for each line. Let's start. First, what will we do? At first, center number is 25. Now first diagonal we have filled this. And for that, what will we do? On the top one, we will take number which is more 1 from 25. 25 add 1, so number get 26. Okay, and here we will take less 1 number from 25. 25 minus 1, so that number is 24. Then you will see that the sum there is 75. Here plus 1 and here minus 1. 25 plus 1, 26 and 25 minus 1 is equals to 94. And similarly we have to for this box here minus 3 and here plus 3. 25 plus 3, 28. And 25 minus 3 means 22. And you can see that their sum is also 75. Now for the next box, this box. For these boxes we will take minus 4 and here plus 4. 25 minus 4, 21. And 25 plus 4, 29. Okay, and their sum is 75. Last we take here plus 2 and here minus 2. 25 plus 2, 27 and 25 minus 2, 23. So in this way you can see that the all boxes have filled. Now magic hexagons. Look at the patterns of numbers in hexagons. Each side has 2 circles and 1 box. So here we have 2 circles and 1 box. Now you get the number in each box by multiplying the numbers in the circles next to it. So the girl was saying that the boxes are the products of the circles. Okay, you will multiply. Means 14 7 ja, you will get 98. Multiply. If you take 10 and 7, 10 7 ja 70 and 10 2 ja 20, 13 2 ja 26 and 13 5 ja 65 and 14 5 ja 70. Means circles you will multiply and their product is in the square box. So what is the rule? If you will multiply the circles, 5 13 ja 65 and here we have 70. So it's very easy. 5 multiply 14. 5 14 ja 70. Now use the same rule to fill the hexagons below. A. Hexagon. Here you can see some blank circle and square. So let's complete this hexagon using the same rule. So first 17 and second circle number is 7. So 17 7 ja multiply. 17 7 ja 119. So write here 119. And next 17 and next circle number is 6. So multiply. 17 6 ja 102. So write here 102. And next 11 6 ja 66. So write here number 66. Multiply. 11 9 ja 99. Write here 99. And next here in circle there is no number but the square box field. So what we have to do to find the product in square boxes? We were multiplying the circles. So just this opposite to find the number in circle. You have to divide the number which is in circle. So divide 108 divided by 9. So what you will get? We will get number 12. So write here number 12. At last here 12 and 7. So again multiply. 12 7 ja 84. So write here 84. In this way magic hexagon is completed. Solve B hexagon by yourself. Students, further we will continue in next video. Thank you.